Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a ball joint. First, gather your essential tools like a sturdy jack, reliable jack stands, a lug wrench, and a ball joint press kit. You will also need a new ball joint, fresh cotter pins, and castle nuts. Safety is paramount, so always work on a level surface and wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Having a good set of sockets and a torque wrench will be crucial for ensuring everything is securely fastened later on. This method focuses on a straightforward approach. Next, we move on to preparing the vehicle and removing the old ball joint. Safely lift your vehicle using a jack and then secure it firmly on jack stands, ensuring stability. Remove the wheel and tire assembly to gain clear access to the suspension components. Now, loosen and remove the castle nut from the ball joint stud using an appropriate socket. You will then need to separate the ball joint from the steering knuckle, which often requires a specialized ball joint separator tool or a sturdy hammer to tap it free. Now, let's focus on installing the new ball joint. First, thoroughly clean the receiving bore where the ball joint sits to ensure a smooth and proper fit for the new part. Carefully position the new ball joint correctly within the control arm or steering knuckle. Then, using your ball joint press kit, carefully press the new ball joint into place. Take your time and ensure it goes in straight. It is crucial that the new ball joint is fully seated and flush with the surrounding component for proper function and safety. For our final steps, we will reassemble everything and perform crucial checks. Reattach the ball joint stud to the steering knuckle and install a brand new castle nut. Tighten this castle nut to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is typically around 50 to 60 foot-pounds, then insert a new cotter pin to secure it. Reinstall the wheel and tire assembly, tightening the lug nuts to their correct torque specifications. Finally, perform a thorough visual inspection of all connections and consider a professional wheel alignment to ensure optimal handling and tire wear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.